and then press it one more time, the same button.
Let's see.
So, hi everybody. My name's Emily, and this is Shanti. And how old are you, Shanti?
And two.
Good job, yes. So we decided to make a video today about what we've been packing in our diaper bag for Shanti and Mommy a little bit. And yeah, we figured this was a great time because things are about to change because we're going to start potty training soon, so we'll be carrying different things. Then also we are expecting a little one come September, so it's a great time to film now or to share what we've been carrying with us because things are going to change when the little one comes and all that. And also, if you were looking for a backpack style diaper bag, I can't say enough things about this diaper bag, the Skip Hop Forma. I really love it. Yeah, and that's our button to press for filming. Okay, so don't press the button until we're all done. Okay, I'll let you know when we're all done. All right. So Shanti, what should we show first in the diaper bag?
This one.
No, in the diaper bag, silly goose.
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Okay, let's put it on the floor so we don't get tempted to press it. Okay, show the water bottle. Let's do it. So this is Mommy's water bottle, and this is so great because you can use it with one hand. Yeah, and it's from Ion if you're looking for it. The only major con of this is that it's like kind of annoying to clean. It kind of gets dirty around the mouth a lot. But other than that, I love this, and it also has a handle, which is really useful. And so we have some things for summer, like sunglasses.
We have a hat.
Yeah, a sun hat. What else do we have in this front pocket?
We have this one.
Here, I'll show this one. This is our medical kit, and this is a medium travel-on packing cube. It comes in a set of 3, and this is the medium. Usually it doesn't have a print on it though. And in here we have a coin purse with lots of like Band-Aids, lozenges in case somebody has a sore throat, shout wipe to go, which I've never used, alcohol wipes just in case. So yeah, Band-Aids are definitely helpful in lots of different sizes and for different uses. And then I have a couple of nursing pads that I never took out after I stopped using them. And then some tissues in a little pack. And also a thermometer. And this is from, I think, Vicks. Yeah, Vicks Speed Read or something. And I really like this one. It changes color to let you know what if you're healthy or not or whatnot. Healthy or not or whatnot. It's so funny. Look for it, baby. It should be in there. Then we also have a syringe just in case. I think my husband put that in there. A nose thingy, mostly for adults. Chapstick. Neosporin spray one, which is nice, but it doesn't have a lot in it, so it's kind of pointless to go through it really fast, especially with a toddler. So I prefer just the regular Neosporin. And then an Oogie Bear for cleaning nose and ears.
This is a key.
Yeah, and then we have a key. And then tweezers, which has come in handy.
Coin.
And a nail clipper. So that's all that we carry in our first aid kit here. And then Shanti shared my wallet. I just have the regular, money and cards and things in there. And then keys and on a key fob, definitely helpful.
Okay.
And then a little, I don't remember what kind this is, but a little coin purse thing with gift cards and coupons and stuff. Here, share what it is. So we have a plastic baggie just in case we need to carry anything. We have Shanti's pants, extra pants, and a t-shirt just in case we should need them. And that's all for the front pocket. And then we have a little pocket in the front as well.
We have the pencil.
A pen. And what's this one?
This one is for, you have an ouchie. We use this one for our lips.
Yes. Do you have an ouchie on your lips?
Yeah.
No. Okay, close it. All right, and then here we have some gum. So this is Surfer's Salve. I got really dry lips when we were on vacation and found this one and it's awesome. So it's called Surfer's Salve. It doesn't really work on the mainland. I think the tropical climate of Hawaii is different, so this was really helpful there, but I just kept it in the diaper bag.
Is this some gum?
Yes, and they have a little tin with some gum inside. No, baby, when you're older. All right, let's close up shop here. Okay, next. The other side pocket, we don't have anything, but I usually like if I need to carry her extra flip-flops or an extra pair of clothes if we're out for a long day or anything like that, I can just, tuck it in there.
Okay.
Open the zipper.
Okay. We have.
Here, try to stand to the side so that they don't see your back. Yeah.
My water bottle.
Yeah, that's so good. And this one I really like. It's I believe from Munchkin. I really like. The only con is that it's a pain to clean. Like if it gets moldy or something like that, it's a really pain to clean. But other than that, it's a really great cup.
This is for this snack.
Yeah, this is our
This
munchie mug.
This is for diaper change.
Yes, so this is a munchie mug, which is awesome. And I just set it like this in the diaper bag. It's so good. And we just carry Triscuits so that we don't have to mess with the whole like, oh, I want a different snack, whatever. Well, the only snack we have is Triscuits all the time, pretty much. If we go traveling like on an airplane or something, then I pack other stuff because if we need to kind of use food as like a distraction. But in general, we just only do this. Oh yeah, and then these are some things I haven't even used really at all. I got some underarm deodorant wipes a long time back thinking that I might need them, but I never really ever needed them. And then also for summer, we have a couple of sunscreens that we're trying to use up. Stream to See is awesome to put on. It really goes on well, and I don't have to worry like, did I have it on there or not, and like when I put it on Shanti and stuff. And it's also great because it's reef friendly and biodegradable. Even the packaging is biodegradable, but it won't hurt fish and other sea and life like coral. And then also Think Sport or Think Baby sunscreen is also great in terms of ingredients and things, but it is more of a pain to put on, and I feel like I use more of it. So even though this one's more expensive, I opt for this one. But for face, especially for Shanti, I use a little sunscreen stick. I can't remember. Yeah, I think I use this one because I have it. Not right now, baby, because we don't need sunscreen because we're inside the house. Thank you. Then I also have a little tin with some Advil for my husband, just in case. And then in the back here, and just so you guys know, we had like the cup and drinks here. Shanti, can you move your body so they can't see your back and so they can see inside? Thank you. So we had this kind of packed like this. So
a blanket.
And a blanket just in case.
Diaper change pad.
Very good. Yeah, that's very soft for diaper changes. And that's all in there. So in the main part of the bag, we have our diaper pod. Thank you. And our snacks and drink, just like this. So it's really easy to grab everything super fast. And in this, I will share, we have, so this is a Jujube Diaper or like a diaper pod. So in the main compartment, here, stand on the side, baby, so they don't see just only your back in the video. There you go. So what do we have in here?
This is a sanitizer we use for our hands.
Yeah, that's a Baby Organics hand sanitizer, which is foaming, and it's really great, and it's alcohol free. And I don't feel like my hands are sticky after I use it, so I really like it.
You want some?
Sure, we'll just demonstrate. Push hard. Ooh, good job. Okay. And also a little goes a long way, so I feel like I don't have to use it all the time. I'm good, baby. Do you want some on your hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Boop. Okay. So then also in here we have a swim diaper because of summer. I think I have like five size 4 diapers and a couple of change pads because we're just traveling. Usually I just carry one.
Wipes.
Yeah, and wipes in a wipe pouch.
In a white pouch.
Yeah. And the hand sanitizer, and then in this side zipper pocket we have a bunch of these like doggy trash baggies for if we're at someone's home or in a public place or like somewhere that I have a dirty diaper, especially a poopy diaper that I need to take care of but don't have a trash can or something right away or don't want to stink up somebody's home. And when Shanti was a lot younger, one time I had the whole roll like in another container, and she took everything out, and I just needed her to be distracted, so I let her. But I was like, oh, we could just rip all of them and then have them easy access instead of having to like rip them when you're trying to change the baby and all that. So now it's just like boom, and then I have to figure out which side is which, but it's not such a big deal. I find this easier. So that's a little hack for you. This is, yeah, if you're sweaty, you can use it as a wipey.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Shanti, do you want to say anything else for the video?
Yeah, I'm just saying, is this some gummies?
Okay, here. Do you want to press the button or should I? No, one's a gum and one's a medicine for Papa.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, before I had carried pads. And I still do just carry a couple pads just in case. You really like that chapstick, huh? In the comments below if there's anything in the diaper bag that surprised you, and also if there's anything that you recommend for potty training or for a newborn that I might forget, because I'm having extreme mom brain these days, and you know how it is. So yeah, basically, hope you're doing great, and we love you so much. Yeah.
I want to make you them there.
Yeah, so they come back so they can see your face.
I want to do
Step back a little bit.
a program for
Yeah, for what?
for my meeting so I get better.
Oh, that's great. What kind of program do you want to do?
I want to do games program.
A games program? Oh, okay. And do you want to do some dancing?
No.
All right. Let's say bye-bye.
No.
You want to say aloha?
Hello.